We can really help change behaviors for patients, that we can really help change health outcomes. For a lot of patients, eating more fruits and vegetables and really changing their diet is something that it's a big change. It's something that a lot of our patients are not familiar with how to actually logistically do that. Really, the goal is just to have this program that can provide a fun way for families to learn about healthy eating, and at the same time, you know, the whole process is very interactive. We have a whole lot of fun, and you know, families are spending time together to doing this, so it kind of builds community around healthy behaviors.
No, I actually signed up so I could introduce my daughter to different foods. She has a lot of food sensitivities, texture issues, looks of foods. She's an extremely picky eater, so I thought it would be good for her to learn. So watching my daughter actually even touch the food, because that's a big thing. If it doesn't look normal, she's not going to touch it. So seeing her actually get in there and help peel the carrots and cut them up and cut the lettuce and touch an onion was huge.
You know, we have children who have come into the program who have never eaten a vegetable in their life yet. We had this 7-year-old who was, you know, had never eaten a vegetable, but she prepared the salad, so she ate it. And she was so proud to eat that salad.
Yeah, so it was really fun. I didn't have to cook dinner. Went there and learned. I never had lentils before, so learning how to cook them and the consistency, it was really informative.
It's so fun to see these like light bulbs go off for people, and they're like, oh, I never even knew that, you know, or some of the ingredients people are unfamiliar with, you know, with some of the vegetables that we've used. So it's exciting to see those moments of discovery for people. You know, we really appreciate the support from the foundation in, you know, in helping to allow this program to be possible. And you know, you know that right now are tough financial times for everyone, but I think, you know, finding ways to support endeavors like this are, you know, are important and worthwhile. As a community, it's something that we all need to learn together, and if we can all really learn this together, then we can improve our health outcomes and, you know, save a lot of people from the suffering and distress of chronic diseases, and really help in, you know, save healthcare dollars in the meantime.